Welcome to Shenzhen Besdata Technology Co Limited, a leader in medical visualization technology, advancing healthcare diagnostics and treatment since 2016. In our research and development department, engineers and clinicians collaborate closely to create innovative healthcare solutions. This synergy ensures our products meet real clinical needs and resolve practical challenges. Step into our factory, where advanced equipment meets meticulous craftsmanship. Our 100,000-level sterile production workshop adheres to the high industry standards, ensuring each product is manufactured with precision and care. Quality is paramount at Besdata. Our ISO 13485 certified factories and globally recognized certifications like CEMDR and MPA and ANVISA reflect our unwavering commitment to safety and excellence. From rigorous inspections to efficient logistics, every step is optimized to exceed global standards. In our business service department, a dedicated team offers exceptional support and personalized service to our partners and clients, fostering strong and lasting relationships built on trust and mutual success. Our product range spans multiple medical fields. In airway management, video laryngoscopes, video double-lumen tubes, bronchoscopes, and video stylettes. For urology, reusable and disposable endoscopes and disposable cystoscopes. Our ENT offerings, video otoscopes and rhinolaryngoscopes. In gynecology, disposable hysteroscopes. In proctology, advanced cholecystoscopes. Each product is designed to enhance clinical efficiency and improve patient care, embodying our motto, always better solutions. Now, let's take a closer look at our innovative products.